All right, so let's start the topic of double bottom and double top continuation. All right, so as I have taught you in the other sessions, different topics. This topic is also very important to understand. See, as you see, double bottom and double tops. We all have an idea of double bottoms and double tops till now, because in the basic sessions we learned it that whenever a double bottom is formed, the market is preparing to go up, become bullish, correct? But what we have to understand here is that what is the exact location and exact place from where after the double bottom we can enter into a trade. Yes, see, example what I'm talking about, let me show you here. All right, this is the extreme high which was formed. It came down and made a low, correct? Then it went and made a higher low showing a downtrend, but then as soon as it created this area with a double bottom, everybody got alerted, right? Everybody got alerted in this area thinking that okay, this is the time to buy. But believe me, this is not the exact location to buy. You have to wait for the prices to go up to retest the structure. Once the market actually retests the structure, what it does, and most is interestingly what it does it, after creating a higher high or a normal same high, it will create a lower high. And after the double bottom is created again on the lower high range as I have created here, then this is the place which is tested and perfect to take or enter into the trade. Now what does it mean? It means that market from the extreme high came down, made a double bottom. This is the place where we will go ready. We will be alerted. Got it? Once we are alerted, we waited for the market to make the first test and then waited for it for making a small double bottom again, having a lower high. Correct? Once the lower high is formed, this is the exact place. I have black color it. I have colored it in black, but this is the exact place where we need to understand that this is the perfect place to enter, because it is 100% sure that the market is going to go up from this place. Understood? That is for the double bottoms. Now the same thing happens for the double tops. When the market is sitting at extreme low and made a high, then came again and made a higher low and went up to make a perfect double top. We need to wait. We need to wait for the market to come down to the point where it will go up again, make a small double top again, which is this area, and the second area in which the double top is tested and confirmed is the place to enter. Because anytime the small double top will be created, the market will go and break the extreme low with the double top. The same thing applies here. Whenever a double bottom is created like it is here, the market, and when we have a small lower high also created with a double bottom, the market will low and break the extreme high. Hope you understand the session. Watch it again if you didn't understood. Let's move on to the next topic.